Today we're going to show you how easy it is to install an incredible PBX on the HiFormance cloud server, and then we're going to add GVSIP so you get Google Voice back. Built a virtual machine, so we're going to use the serial console to complete the install. That was tough, wasn't it? Now that we have a running server, we're going to run the GVSIP installer and get Google Voice back. Once the OpenSSL upgrade completes, you'll be prompted to upgrade asterisk. Then you can go have a cup of coffee. It takes about 15 minutes. When the asterisk compile finishes, you get about 1 minute to go, so hang in there. When everything's finished, it'll ask you if you want to add GVSIP trunks. We're going to say no for now. You can go back and add them by running install GVSIP at any time. It takes about 30 seconds for each trunk. Have a good day.